Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to budget our paycheck for Friday. It could be a little bit different. This is kind of just what I'm, estimating my check is going to be from the last 2 weeks. And we'll just make adjustments as needed. We are using our Baddies and Budgets budget planner. So I am estimating that I'll probably make about $1,400 so we'll put 216 paycheck at $1,400 for the last 2 weeks. So our bills, we have our truck insurance, our phone, subscriptions, renters insurance, our Discover credit card, our Discover loan, our rent, Xfinity cable bill, cable, internet, and everything, our Affirm, and our city balance transfer. And then our gas and our food. Let me grab my calculator real quick because I forgot. Okay. So our truck insurance, $68 like normal. All of these are what I usually do. Our phone, $52. Subs, $42. Renters insurance gets $14. Credit card, $100. Loan, $200. Rent is $168. Xfinity is $140. Affirm, we'll get $197. City gets $20. Gas, $50. And food, $125. So these are all actually, they're split in half. And this is all for March because I'm a month ahead. So our total in bills will be 68 plus 62, 42, 14, 300. Our total is $1,176. So $1,176. So then what we do is we put down here our income. And then you'll total boxes 2, 3, and 4, but we only put stuff in number 2. And you subtract that from your income. So $1,400 minus $1,176 leaves us with $224. So then come to this side and we do our sinking funds and everything else, and then we break them down over there. So off the top of my head, I don't remember which is which, so we're just gonna line them until I'm out, I guess. So we have travel, our truck, emergency, gifts, babies, wedding, future house, tattoo, and then tax refund, which I decided to kind of create my own. And then you have medical. I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about that before, but I just created my own so that when tax time does come around, you just have a little bit of extra. And I actually am stuffing it now. And then we have savings. I know you guys can't see right now. And our challenges. So our travel is getting 20. Truck is 5. I think all of these are 5. Tax refund is 4. And then medical is getting 10. So we have 20 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Plus 4 plus 10. So our total here is 69. And then our savings will be getting $20. And our challenges are getting 135. So we have 135 plus 20. This total is 155. So that's all of our check there. So now we do our income total of $1,400. Our total from those was $1,176. So you have $1,176. Nothing in debt, so we put 0. Sinking funds for 6 and 7, so 155 plus 69 equals 224. We didn't put anything in that category. So now we take our 1,400 minus 1,176 minus 224, and we have $0. So we accomplished our zero-based budget of putting every little bit of money to something. So I'll zoom in on it. But this is what my paycheck breakdown looks like. And like I said, that's kind of an estimate of what I think my check's going to be around. It could be a little higher, it could be a little lower, and we'll just make adjustments once I know. I won't know till like Wednesday night, Thursday morning when they post it. But if you enjoyed this video, I know it's quick, but I wanted to get something for you guys. And it doesn't take me very long to budget my paycheck anymore. I kind of know what everything is going for, or going to. I will be posting my updated debt confessions Saturday. So if you're interested in seeing how far in the other direction I went in my debt payoff, or just want to see my game plan to pay it off now, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you already are subscribed, make sure you have that bell turned on so you know when I upload. Make sure to hit that like button, comment down below. I love interacting with you guys, and share it with your friends and family. Bye!